how to sell custom watercolor family trees on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's choose one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's go with this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page for your product, exactly like this one. How to add the pictures of your product, how to add the video, how to add the price, the details about your product, the options, and how to add the product details, the description of the product as well, and how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the main page, close this one, go to this main page, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you stock your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. You set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here, you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for example, let's change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And here you choose the name of the shop. Let's remove custom and let's remove the spaces between these words. And the name is still long. Let's remove, and here it is, the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here, before proceeding to adding the details about the product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So the first one is photos. You will need to at least upload one photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to enter the price of the product. Then comes the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then we have the shipping. You will need also to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Make sure to enter a good title for your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here we have the category. So let's choose a category. Let's choose the first one. Then you have some additional details to fill, like the surface. You can choose one in here. Let's go for the stretched canvas. Primary color, let's choose blue. And for the secondary color, let's choose gray. For the width, you can choose a unit in here. Same thing with height and depth. Then here you have the orientation, if it's horizontal or vertical, or you can just trace it and leave it like that, empty. Same thing with the framing. Here you have the home style. You can search for one in here. Painting style as well. Occasion, you can search for one in here. Then you have the holiday. Let's choose Eid, for example. Then we have the room. If you want to select rooms, the subject, and then we have the renewal options. If you want to go with the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then we have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. You can add a new production partner in here. Then we have the section tags and materials, and all of them are optional, so let's just leave them for later. Then we have the price. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. I'm going to go with this price, for example. Then you fill the information, the shipping information. For example, for the processing time, let's choose 5 to 7 days. And for the standard shipping, you can fill all of these empty fields. Then you have the returns and exchanges. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another policy, or you can even create your own policy by choosing what you're going to accept and what you're going to refuse. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.